single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I'm here with Martine. And yeah, we have another bunker for you. Also in Béthune. And it's a small one. It's a nice one. So you remember we visited this one over there. And now we're gonna visit this one. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult here to drone, so you won't have drone footage. There's an airfield next by. And the airplanes are really coming close to the ground here already, so I'm not gonna risk to do some drone flying. But yeah, I can show the bunkers. They are here, so let's have a look. And this is in France. We are exploring the French side. So yeah, but I'm gonna have a look. So I'm not gonna be able to go in also, I guess, because I'm not sure. Oh, it's hard. The ground is hard. Yeah, it's dry and hard. I can film from outside because it's a very small one. It's small in there. Look, see, it's small. Yeah, okay, you can try. Martine is getting in again. Don't break your legs. Will you need light? I guess so.
I don't need the light because the other part is very dark.
It's burning?
Yeah.
Okay. You take it with the lens again?
Yeah, okay.
And
So,
with two hands, okay?
2 hands. I will go in.
Knock the walls.
I will try.
Very careful, don't climb anything into the top the thing there because it's dangerous.
Oh, I won't go in there. No problem.
Go slowly.
Yeah, I'll be careful. But it's a safe entrance.
It's a small one.
It's a very small one, but there are very large spaces in here.
This is artillery. It's for
Yeah, it's nice. And it's a very safe environment also. No problem. Maybe I have to put on some mouth caps because sometimes you have a lot of dust in these areas. So I have to film up.
Okay there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Watch out for the paper on the floor and droppings.
There are no droppings in here.
I see it's the same down.
It's a clean area, so that's no problem. I have to climb the stairs a little bit. These are small stairs here.
Are there any text on the walls?
No, in this one there aren't. One moment. Hopefully this construction doesn't come down, because otherwise I will have a problem. I will have a look here. Look at that. Whoa. Nice. No shooting holes in here. Yeah, I will come out. One moment, please. One second. There's no one else in here, so.
No. Ah, yeah, okay.
This isn't the exit, I know. No, I'm coming out now.
Okay, thank you. Here we are again, people. Outside, so I will walk around it now to show you the bunker around. So this is the side of it with the artillery gun on top, and then the entrance. I think because there's an airfield here, there must be an airfield always here, must be always here an airfield, and that's why this bunker is standing here. The other one was a commando bunker. Also they kept bombs in there, I saw. So yeah, so this is the backside, as you can see. Let's have a walk around. This is the other side. So very nice. As you can see, this is a very nice bunker. Small, but very nice. They are different as the ones we have in Belgium. There's also a lot of demolishing going on here. These bunkers are getting demolished almost. Don't know, yeah. I think the laws here are different than in Belgium. So, but hey, it's a very nice one. Try to zoom in for you. Here we go. Yeah, so yeah, it's nice. You like this one?
Yes, I like it
very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, well, that's always nice to see, huh? So we have one over there in the back distance. Let's have a closer look again. There we go. So we visited that one before, and now we visited this one for you guys. So as you can see, it's a very nice place. Let's go back to the car. People, yeah, you have seen some shots from our trip in France again. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and don't forget to keep following us. Bye bye. Also leave a little comment for us. Yeah. See you. Bye bye.